Hey everyone. So I got myself a little plant and I need to get a little bigger of a pot. And I'm going here to Sierra Water Gardens. It's a hidden gem and they do all house plants and it's really awesome. And I am going to be able to repot my little plant inside with their soil that they have and potting area. Let's go inside and check this place out. First of all, how cute is that? Okay, so this is the front entrance here. Look how nice. It's just so lovely in here, warm feeling, smells great. Let's go check out more. Check this place out. So they have got cute pots. It's like being in an indoor forest. Look at those. You need your big pots? You know you gotta have a pair of overalls, right? Plus they've got just really cool gifts that you can pick up. Candles. Purses. And a lot of these things that you see here are from local vendors as well.
And to add,
Clothes.
so we're gonna.
Look how huge that is. Wow. And that is real. That is real, folks. Yeah.
Would you like to use it?
Little succulents. And here is the potting station. Is this not cool? I love it. So I'll be doing my little plant, repotting it. But first I need to find a pot. See, like this is a nice little pot. Has its little bottom there.
Thank you.
Yeah, they also have flowers, fresh cut flowers. I mean, this place is just awesome. Dry flowers. Okay, so there we are. There's my new little pot, my plant in its new little pot. And I just love the place. And I thank you guys for joining me. And yeah, you want a great place to go for plants and, you know, well, you saw all the other things that they've got. Great place. And I will leave a link to their website down below. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this place. We will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.